With two recent high-profile Cuyahoga County criminal cases resulting in the defendants being ruled incompetent to stand trial, let's break down exactly what that means. Legally speaking, their legal proceedings are far from over. That's because both Bionca Ellis and Haney have been determined to have, quote, a substantial probability of restoration to competency. Ellis, who is 33, is accused of killing 3-year-old Julian Wood in a double stabbing outside of a Giant Eagle in North Olmsted. Haney, age 25, is accused of killing Cleveland police officer Jamieson Ritter on July 4th, and separately, his own grandmother. For now, they've been ruled incompetent to stand trial, which has nothing to do with the crimes they're charged with. It's only about their mental state right now. The reason they've both been determined to be incompetent to stand trial right now is the judges in their cases believe they're either incapable of understanding the proceedings against them or incapable of assisting in their own defense. Ellis will now be treated at North Coast Behavioral Health, and Haney will get his treatment at Twin Valley Behavioral Health Care in Columbus. The treatment has been ordered to try to restore them each to competency so that they can eventually stand trial for the charges against them. Because these two face murder charges, they can receive treatment for up to 1 year to try to restore their competency to stand trial. They can be found to be competent at any point during that 1-year period and would then stand trial. If the year passes and they're still found to be incompetent, in murder cases, the court can hand over custody of the defendant where they'll likely be hospitalized for years, and their competency will be reevaluated every 2 years. Now, if you're wondering what the difference is between being ruled incompetent to stand trial and pleading not guilty by reason of insanity, it boils down to two things. First, pleading not guilty by reason of insanity is an affirmative defense. It means even if the person did what they're accused of, at the time it happened, that person was not aware that what they were doing was wrong. And second, rolled into that, a not guilty by reason of insanity plea is about a person's mental state at the time of the alleged crime. As I mentioned earlier, being ruled incompetent to stand trial is all about a person's mental state after the fact, at the time of trial, and it doesn't have anything to do with the actual crime that a person is accused of committing. This is Stephanie Haney, legally speaking, for 3 News.